Okay, so those buttons, when we glide over them, they will show up, and when we click on them, they will display a text and a picture. We'll go grab the text and picture now on the internet. So, no, only the picture, will type the text. So you will go onto the internet and grab some pictures. Anything is good. You don't have to make it realistic. Okay, 3 pictures. Any pictures is okay, as long as they are different one from each other, you are able to tell the difference. Don't bring them into InDesign, we'll do it together. Don't put the picture into your document, just grab the picture on the internet and download them. Okay, I'll bring the pictures on the side of my document here. That's why there is some space to bring some pictures before I put them on the page. So, with the black arrow, click and none of the objects are selected anymore. So the pictures will not come into the objects. You just click with the black arrow, no objects selected, and you go and grab the picture, file place, and you have to select all of the 3 pictures all together at once. We will place them at once in the document. So click, shift click, okay, and open. That button should be called place, but that's a problem in InDesign. When you place a picture, it shows an open button, but instead it should be named place. Okay, I have 3 pictures in the ready to be put on the document. Don't do anything, just watch, and you'll do the same after. I make a click and drag, and I'll use the arrow key on the keyboard, up arrow, right arrow. So I have four cells for pictures. I choose the proportion, horizontal, vertical. Okay, I'll choose vertical. And all of the pictures come together in frames that are the same size. Then I have to ask InDesign for object fitting fill frame proportionally. And it's okay, I have 3 pictures, the same size. It's better for what we have to do. Do I have to repeat, or is it okay? I repeat, okay. So, just delete the pictures and do it one more time. File, place, click, shift click, open, then click and drag, and while holding down the button of the mouse, I don't release it at any time. I use the up arrow key on the keyboard and right arrow. In fact, I'm choosing the number of columns and rows of pictures, but there are only 3 pictures, so I cannot do anything more here. I release the button of the mouse and the pictures come into variable frame, and I have to ask object fitting fill frame proportionally. And the frames are filled with the picture. Okay. So it works with 3 pictures and with 20 pictures too. No problem. So try to remember that little InDesign feature, and it will be useful for you when you have to put 20 pictures on a document or more pictures. Yes, you have to put back the pictures in place by double-clicking on it. You are able to choose which part of the picture you show. Just double-click and move the picture inside of its frame. Sometimes it doesn't work well, I know. You are able to resize the pictures too by double clicking on it and using the free transform tool, Shift and Alt key on the corner handle. Okay, the picture is enlarged and I put it back in place. No keys here, just the mouse. Okay. One more time. Double clicking on the picture using the free transform tool, one corner handle and Shift and Alt key. Okay. I think we already talked about those features. Enlarging a picture inside of its frame. You remember? It was a long time ago. 2 months.